Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on the application of Discord. You will go to settings as you see. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Discord. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.